Hey there, welcome back to Genius Junkie. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any creative design tips. Today, we're diving into a must-have for influencers, bloggers, and businesses, a media kit. I'll show you how to design a professional media kit in Canva that'll help you land those deals and collaborations. Why you need a media kit? A media kit is essentially your brand's resume. It showcases your achievements, audience demographics, and the services you offer. Whether you're reaching out to potential sponsors or clients, a well-designed media kit can make all the difference. And the best part? You can create one easily with Canva. Starting your media kit in Canva. Let's get started. First, log in to your Canva account. If you don't have one, no worries, it's free to sign up. Once you're in, search for Media Kit in the Canva search bar. You'll find a variety of templates that you can customize. Choose a template that fits your brand's aesthetic. Customizing the design. Now that you've picked a template, it's time to customize it. Start by adding your logo and brand colors to make the media kit truly yours. Next, update the text fields with your information. This includes your bio, audience demographics, social media stats, and any press features. Canva makes it easy to drag and drop elements, so feel free to move things around until it looks just right. Adding visuals and highlights. Visuals are key to making your media kit pop. Include high-quality images of your work, past collaborations, or anything else that represents your brand. You can also add icons or graphics from Canva's extensive library to highlight important sections like contact info or social media handles. Remember, the goal is to make your media kit as engaging and easy to read as possible. Exporting and using your media kit. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to export your media kit. Click on the Share button and select Download. I recommend choosing PDF for easy sharing via email or as a download link on your website. And there you have it, a professional media kit ready to impress. And that's it. You've just created a stunning media kit in Canva that's sure to catch the eye of potential clients and collaborators. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more design tips and tricks to help you elevate your brand. See you in the next video.